Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys talkback full setting, how to use talkback in Redmi mobile. Friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about what is talkback in Redmi mobile and how to use talkback in Redmi mobile. So friends, you don't know about talkback, so don't worry, I will tell you in this video. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, click here additional setting. After additional setting, accessibility setting friends, click here, and friends click here vision setting, talkback setting, and you can on talkback, and friends you can use talkback in your Redmi mobile. Right click here, allow talkback will on. So friends, you want to use talkback, so friends you can use talkback with two finger. One finger friends you cannot use talkback. And you want to use back button, so when double tap continue, then friends you can back. So when double tap continue, then friends you can use back button. Double tap, and friends you want to use home button setting, so in one tap double tap you can use home button setting in your Redmi mobile. And friends you want to check a recent app, so friends one tap here, double tap, use two finger,
Settings unlocked.
close.
Resets. Google.
So like that friends you can use one
Open
talkback
resets.
setting in your Redmi mobile.
Home.
With two finger friends you can use talkback. One finger you cannot use talkback in your device. Use your two finger, you can swipe and you can use it.
On.
So a person who is blind, they use talkback with sound, because guys when I will click any icon, as you can see phone,
Phone.
double tap, and get they use
Phone.
talkback with sound. And friends we want to close the recent app, so friends one tap,
Overview.
double tap continue,
System launcher.
use two finger,
Loading.
you can close the recent app. And friends you don't want to use talkback, use your two finger, one tap on phone setting, double tap here,
Settings.
Wi-Fi setting click, use your two finger, additional setting,
Additional.
double tap here,
Additional settings.
accessibility,
Accessibility.
double tap here friends.
Accessibility.
Friends click here vision setting,
Vision.
double tap,
Vision.
talkback, double tap,
Talkback.
use talkback,
Use.
double tap, stop talkback, double tap, and get talkback will off. And friends you can use your Redmi phone without talkback. So like that friends we can use talkback full setting in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use talkback in Redmi mobile. Bye friends.